Hello, everybody. This is Ian Lamont, founder of i30 Media Corp. and author of the Lean Media book blog and video channel available from leanmedia.org. Today, I'm going to be talking about using a Shopify app called Shogun to create a landing page. This is a very general overview. This is not a deep dive or anything like that. And hopefully, I can show you what Shogun is all about in about 5 or 6 minutes. If you could take a moment to follow this channel or like the video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it. And also a quick disclaimer, you're responsible for following all relevant terms and carefully evaluating all risks before following any of this advice. And one other thing I really strongly advise, if you're doing something like this, is to test anything that you create using this particular app, Shogun, or similar apps such as Pagefly, which lets you also build landing pages. So Shogun, this is the paid version of the app. I've been using it for a few months to create a landing page. And actually, let's take a look at what the landing page looks like. So this is this particular landing page. As I explained in another video, landing pages are really for getting people to actually get to buy something. Whereas a catalog page or the home page for many Shopify websites, you have to kind of click through to find what you're looking for and then add it to cart. When you come to the landing page, and I send people here from advertising campaigns, they can add to the cart right away. You can customize landing pages to look the way that you want, or to maybe just feature a single product. You can see here that I'm actually featuring several different products, but these are products that I want to promote either because we have a lot of inventory, or they sell well, or some other reason. Some people, they also create landing pages for specific events. For instance, Mother's Day is coming up, so you might create like a Mother's Day themed landing page. And if you have the paid Shogun plan that I'm using, you can create multiple landing pages, and then you can swap them out or set up different ad campaigns for them. So this is just a quick overview of the way Shogun works. Basically, what I've been doing with Shogun is they have templates, and then I just change everything on the template to my own products and customize them. And the way that you would cut, so originally this was a template that showed other types of products. So what I would do if I wanted to change something, for instance, I want to swap this particular one out. Let's see if I can get the whole thing here. Yeah, so here's the whole product. You would go over here and you would try to change. It's not letting me do it for some reason. Let's see if I can do it another way. Yeah, here you can change the product. So if I wanted to change the product associated with this add to cart button, I'd press the change product button. I'd X this out, and then I would choose another product. So let's say I have the professional bundle, professional genealogy charts gift bundle. I'd confirm, and you can see it swapped everything out there. In terms of adding new elements, the way that this works is there's a structure over here, and you have images, videos, headings, buttons, whatnot. You basically drag them over. So if I wanted to add, let's say I wanted to add another section right below this one, I take section, I just drag it here, and then drop. And then it would ask me, well, what do I want to put in that particular section? And I could find other things to put in there. One thing to note, you can do really fine-grained controls of how the section works. So, for instance, the minimum height, I've had it set at 50. If I wanted to, I could create this. I could set this to 100 pixels. I could change the width here. One thing that you may want to do as you're going through this exercise of testing out or creating different elements for your Shogun landing page is to go up here on the top, and you can see the desktop view. Keep in mind that many people, they're not using a desktop computer. They're using a mobile device. So maybe you want to check out the mobile view too. And you can see things look a lot different. This is really helpful to figure out if the mobile view will look okay for your customers, because some sites, including my own, they do have a lot of mobile customers. So if you want to check out the site and see what it looks like finished, click on the I button here. Also, one thing you have to do is you have to click on, actually, let's get rid of this. Get rid of that element I just created here. So I just created this element, but let's say I've changed my mind. If I wanted to, I could move this down, or I could move this up, or I could just grab this and start to, put it somewhere else. But let's say that I want to get rid of it altogether. There's a little trash can icon. Click delete. It's gone. One thing you need to do every once in a while is click save. It'll take a few seconds to save it, and then click publish when you're sure that this is what you want it to look like, and you can do that. So this is a very simple landing page in Shogun. Actually, I created another landing page in Shogun, which I think looks a lot better. And it's because, so this is the simple landing page I was just working on. Here's another landing page I created in Shogun, This is my premium landing page, and it looks a lot better. And actually, this particular landing page, or the template that it's based on, really looked quite gorgeous. It had really focused on images, text, telling the story about my company. So I had a lot of fun creating that. And of course, you have to bring your own assets to the picture. Of course, your Shopify store will have products already, so you can add these pretty easily. But this particular image, for instance, I had to upload that to the Shogun landing page builder to create that. For more information on how to get the most out of Shopify apps, I have a video channel. You can subscribe to it right on YouTube, or go to leanmedia.org, click on video, and you can see it right here. I also have a blog which has lots of other advice about Shopify, Amazon, all kinds of different selling programs. If this video helped you, please take a moment to like it or follow me on YouTube. And you can also see more of my videos right here on leanmedia.org. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.